All right, so if you've been following along, you know that I've cloned my father. I actually use this software to make my thumbnails as well, as you can see. But this is the concept. You take an existing person, you take their voice, you combine the two, and then you can have it really sound like them. I've used this for the checkout page here. This is for those that actually have purchased the $27 starter kit offer. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. So first thing I'm gonna do is use ElevenLabs. I simply uploaded his voice. I took the voice from a video that he's made in the past by just simply going to clone voice. Let me see if you could do it here. As you can see here, instant voice clone. I uploaded like 2 or 3 audio of him speaking. And now here is the text. Thank you. Seriously, you took the steps most people only think of. This is a short script, nothing crazy. And then what I did was come in here and paste the same script. I uploaded his picture. And then all I did was say, mouthing the following. Thank you. Seriously, you just took the steps most people only think about. And I'm gonna play the audio. It doesn't sound like him. You probably have no idea because you've never seen him probably on social media. So here it is.
Thank you. Seriously, you just took the step most people only think about. Here's how to get everything you just paid for. First, check your email.
So that does not sound like him, but this is his voice that ElevenLabs generated.
Thank you. Seriously, you just took the step most people only think about. Here's how to get everything you just paid for. First, check your...
All right, so what I did was I simply connected the voice and the video that the AI generated, and this is the actual video it made.
Thank you. Seriously, you just took the step most people only think about. Here's how to get everything you just paid for. First, check your email. I just sent your access to the email you used at checkout. It has everything, your ebook, the audio, and all.
So as you can see here, this shade of gray is because I'm using the tool called, I think it was called like Sync. Let me see, Sync Lip 2 Pro. So it's not perfect. So what I did was actually come into CapCut and added an overlay because I wanted to look as real as possible. So let me go ahead and show you very quickly. So this is how it ended up looking. You can't really tell because the overlay that I'm using right here, if I turn it off, you might be able to see it. So you can see kind of a little bit of a shade. If I add it, I mean, you still can kind of see it, but it's not as bad. But if I'm being honest, the audience, they're not going to really be paying attention to that. A lot of people don't even know when stuff is truly AI anymore. And this looks realistic. And I'm adding caption over it. And this is exactly how I created the thank you page, which looks far better on a mobile device. This is what it's going to look like. Everything is pretty seamless. Now, again, we're using Kajabi primarily because we can upsell and downsell. As you can see here, we already have our upsell that is added to our funnel. If they decline that, they will be sent to the downsell, which is a smaller payment for now, but it adds on eventually. So instead of receiving 270 upfront, we'll be doing $97 for 3 months, which is $291. And then we also have a 7-day email sequence being sent out along with an SMS. So the automation email, I'm going to be able to properly test. And these come with basically reply to this email if you understand this. So we're going to get more interaction, and we also have the SMS set up that I need to log into to just confirm that we're all set to go. But aside from that, that's really it. that's basically it. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down below. This tool is pretty handy. I simply create all my thumbnails like this. As you can see, nothing special. I just take me, replace myself, and kind of explore and do different things through it. So hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next video.